Hey guys, Audible here, and today we are going kayaking in the French River. Yep, that's right. And I'm going to try and film as much as I can. Probably won't be able to because it's soaking wet outside. Oh, the weather's changed, wow! So, I will try and vlog when we're there. Probably not, because I don't want to drop my camera into the river and lose it forever and not get a new one. See you later when we're canoeing in the French River. Yes, we just went kayaking. It's so painful because we did it for 2 hours straight, kayaking in the river, and we just got off and everything hurts literally. But now we're going for McDonald's, so that should be nice. And yeah, McDonald's time. See you back at the house or in McDonald's. It depends if I can vlog there during the situation. Here's Ben, my younger brother. Oh God. Oh, my arm's hurting from holding this camera now. So, see you at McDonald's, see you at the house, see you at the pool. I don't know, but it depends if I can vlog at McDonald's. So,